Creating an AWeber account is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. Here's how to get started. Visit the AWeber website. Go to AWeber and click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Provide your details. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and a password. Choose a strong password to protect your account. Set up your business information. AWeber will ask for your business information, including your business name and physical address. This is important for email compliance and anti-spam regulations. Choose a plan. After filling out your details, you'll be prompted to select a pricing plan. AWeber offers a free plan for users with fewer than 500 subscribers and a few paid options for businesses with larger lists. Confirm your email address. AWeber will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Click the confirmation link to verify your email. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, you can log into AWeber and complete your profile, including adding an email signature and integrating any other apps or tools.